What's up, guys? So I just picked up this Vortex Defender CCW 3MOA RMSC footprint blackout. If you guys see that, limited edition, red dot pistol sight. And it was perfect timing because I also got something else in the mail that I was really wanting to get a red dot for. And this is what I got. And it might not look like much, but what this is a RMSC footprint pistol sight adapter for commercial Russian IMES pistols with this weird adjustable target sight. These are basically just commercial Makarovs, and they come in with these target sights. This plate replaces your target sight with a red dot mount. And hopefully this Vortex Defender CCW will fit right onto here. So here's your dot. And this is the blackout one, meaning that all of the logos are blacked out, if you can figure that. I have not taken out this little sleeve for the battery. And I think we have a little box of goodies in here. Oh, there's a lot of crap in there actually. We have a little microfiber cleaning cloth. That's cool. Instruction manual, product manual, guess, whatever. Not too interested in that. And then we have a shit ton of mounting screws, I guess. And then we have a little Picatinny adapter plate, which is actually really cool that they include that. I got my Holosun 507K brand new, and it did not come with hardly anything. There's your little dot right there, 3MOA dot. You guys can see that. Not as crisp as it could probably be, but you guys get the idea. There you go. It has shake awake, so if you're not using it and it's not moving, it will turn off to conserve battery. I'm not sure which one of these I'll need, but we'll just go ahead and keep them off to the side until I figure it out. So let's go ahead and remove this sight, which I believe it's held in by this big flathead screw, and then it has a roll pin right there. If you guys can see that, it goes all the way through. All right, finally got that sight off. It was not easy to get off. That roll pin was really, really tight, but we got the sight off now, so we will take our adapter plate, throw that on here. We will take our screw. We won't put it in all the way, but we will just get it kind of started. All right, we have our little M2 screw right here, and we'll go ahead and just screw this in, and I will tighten this up until it's good. All right, that's pretty good. And then we will take our screwdriver and tighten up our flathead screw at the top until it's nice and a little bit more than snug. And all right, that's good. All right, let's just double check that our sight is going to fit on here as well as I think it is, which it actually fits on there perfect, it looks like. So that's good. All right, we got the screws. I'll get them started, and then we will tighten these down. Not trying to go super tight, but we will we'll just tighten them down until it seems good. We'll go by feel, I guess, on this one. All right, there you go. Got the dot on there, and still works, which is awesome that it didn't break or something while we were playing with it. So we'll get our frame and everything else. We'll put this back on. There you go. There is your PMM with a Vortex red dot. I don't know if this is what they really meant by modernized in PMM, but honestly, I think it's pretty sweet. If I could only find that dot. There you go. Uh, the height over bore, I don't think it's going to be too bad. It is a little high on there, but I'm sure I can get that zeroed pretty good. Maybe at like 20 yards, 20, 25 yard zero would be fine for this. But anyways, that's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.